In this video, we're going to create a logo design questionnaire that covers three very important things: your client, their target audience, as well as their competition. So let's jump in on Canva and do this. And your template is going to look like this. And we're going to go in on Canva and we're going to create one. And I will share the template with you. So stick with me until the end of the lesson. Land on your home page at canva.com. You're going to access the office package because you would like to design an office document, and you're going to have different options. The one that we're going to use is proposal. However, if you would like to create an A4 blank document, you can start from scratch and create an A4 size document that you can use, and then you can PDF at the end. I've decided to go with the proposal package. I'm going to click where it says browse templates, and then I can look at different options that are available for me to tweak and use for this questionnaire. So there are various ones that are on pro version, and there are also free version. So if you're wanting to upgrade to pro, you can use my link below and upgrade and test it for 30 days and see how you feel with the pro version of Canva. I'm loving it, by the way. Anyway, so the template that I've chosen is that beige, modern, simple design. And the first thing I'm going to do is to change the name and call it a logo design so that I'm able to find it when I want it. And that's it. So the design looks like this, and it's a 3-page document. The end results looks like this, and we want to, at the first page, position ourselves to our customer. At this stage, the customer would have hired you or wanting you to design for them. So you need to let them know what they are completing, your details, where they can return the document back to you, like your email address and your website. So the first page is all about telling them that you are gathering information and you would like them to share as much as possible so that the design is concise and it is exactly what they want, because the information that they've given you is perfect. So page 2 would be all about the client, getting the information about who the company is, how long they are, and that sort of thing. And then you start jumping in on point number 3, where who's the competition? Why would the customer buy from them instead of the competition? And then the last page would be all about the target audience. Most important. Who is the client trying to sell to? Their logo is part of their brand. When their target audience look at the logo, they need to understand the brand, and they need to relate to the brand, and they need to feel that they're part of the brand. And that is your job, to nail that. And you need to ask the right questions so that you're able to nail that. Without asking questions, your customer can't use his logo as part of his branding because your design sucked, So that's why a questionnaire is so important. So that's what we're trying to achieve. So you're going to go in on the template and start designing. So because my brand is the purple and the light purple, you would then do the same. You would click on the page and then you would change color. So I would click there, and this is our color at Learn with Za. And then you would click on the text and you would change the text. So you would have uploaded your logo on your uploads, and you just add it next to what the document is all about. And next, you're going to change the color so that it follows the color scheme of the brand. So if you're using templates, you make your life so much easy, because the design just falls into place. So this section is all about us asking for information from the client and letting them know what is this document for. So I don't need the other elements. I'm just going to use this element, and then I'm going to call this research. awesome. And that takes care of the research and the gathering data. With this photo, you can just pick any beautiful photo that you could find on Canva or wherever you could find a photo. I looked for a working office, and then I found a nice picture that I could replace that picture with, like that, and change color from brown to purple. And the last box is where the information for your company is. That's where you're going to add your address over there, and you're going to add your email address as well as website. And then you're good to go with step number 1. Step number 2 is you starting to gather information about your client. This is where you're going to ask the question about the company, and you're going to start doing that. The last thing that you would do is you're going to click on download, and you're going to download as a PDF. You're going to click on download, and then the document will be PDF'd, and then you can then send it to your customer. So the PDF document looks like this, and this could be editable on Canva if you use the new available PDF software. If your customer has a Canva, they can edit and they add their text and their answers on there, or they can use the Adobe Fill and Sign to complete the PDF document and then send it back to you. This is the end of our lesson. I will see you next time.